Gena, Gena, Gena in Mabaan is me, is me. Gena is different than Gena, Gena, Gena. Gena is me. Gena in Mabaan means it's me. For example, if you go to your family house and you are knocking, on the door, and your family, one of your family will come out, on the door or come out by the door, and he or she will say, "Who are you? Who are you?" In Mabaan, you would say, "I amene," or "Amene." Who are you? Who's knocking? Amene. And you would say, "Genaya, it's me. It's me knocking on the door." But Gena also is me when you're introducing yourself. You say Gena and then followed by your name. Gena followed by my name. I'm outside knocking at my family house, and they ask me, like, "Who is this?" I will say Gena followed by my name. Gena, then I would say my name. It's me, then I would say my name. And that's how language works. So it's the same as English language. So it's the same word